Hi, friends. I hope you guys are having the most amazing day ever. Here are 22 inches of microlink hair. You always want to start out with clean hair. And here, because she was natural, I straightened out her hair before I put the microlinks in. And here you go. This is the beginning of the process. If anyone has any questions that you might want to ask about this process, please go ahead and make sure that you comment your question. I would love to answer it. Hey friends, make sure that the person's hair matches the microlinks hair extensions. That will give it the most naturalist look. A big tip that I want to give is the placement of the microlink. It's very important to place the hair where it's most needed to make it look the most natural. Hey family and friends, I hope everyone is finding this video easy to follow. Hey friends, I hope everyone's having an amazing day. And if you haven't already, please do like and subscribe to my channel so you can continue to see all the beautiful hair magic on this channel. I hope you're having an awesome, amazing day. And until next time, friends, bye.